This is the old health center of Barangay Sua. There was no medicine, no bed, and no medical tools. The midwife only came once a week. Moraba Foundation decided to build a new health center which would cater to Barangay Sua residents and also neighboring barangays. The midwife now comes 3 times per week, and Moraba Foundation provides some basic medical supplies, including medical equipment.
Old health center, I feel bad because when it comes in rainy, there's so many raindrops around me. while here, I feel good and fresh. Patient go here while nasa lumang health center, lack of patients.
So is this a new machine?
Yes. This is what you call Doppler. The other term ultrasound.
Saka kung kukuhan pag hindi na first aid na dito sa...
Before, she not heard the baby, but now she heard the fetal heart tone of her baby inside.
Center.
Very nice. It's very beautiful. Ang gayon.
Yes, very nice and center.
I want here some medicines that that need here for my patients in every day.
Pwede ba kami madam yung na gawin namin selling pan? So, kasi mga tao? Nebulizer. Hindi ang gusto ko tayo so kung pwede na talaga pag-isan mga so mga aramisan na didi na kung pwede, hindi din nasa sa akin magakas pero dapat ayun talaga kita 24 hours na midwife. Ang pinaka-importante ko naman yung para pag may mga emergency na madali kami sentro.